Hey, hi all. In this video, we will discuss about reports in Salesforce. So reports in Salesforce is nothing but report gives you access to your Salesforce data, and you can examine your Salesforce data in almost infinite combinations, display it in easy to understand formats, and share the resulting insights with others to make the business decisions. Reports in Salesforce are powerful tools that helps user analyze and visualize their data. So next. So what is a report? A report is a list of records that meet the criteria you define. So when we say criteria we define, that are nothing but the filters which we define in a particular report. But reports are much more than simple list. To get the data you need, you can filter, group, and do math on records. You can even display them graphically in a chart. So the graphically it is nothing but a visualization of the particular data which we have in a report. Every report is stored in a folder. So every report is stored in a folder. Report folders determine how reports are accessed and to whom so who can access them, or who can have rights of view, edit, or manage that particular report. Folders can be public, hidden, or shared. You control who has access to the content of the folder based on roles, permissions, public groups, territories, and license types. You can make a folder available to your entire organization or make it private so that only the owner has access. So if you are doing some try and error, or if you are creating a simple report or a POC type of thing, you can create it in a private folder. So it will be you will only be able to see it. No one other than you can make any change, or they can view that particular report if it is in your private folder. Once you are very sure the report is fine, then you can place it in the respective folder. What is a report type? So basically, to create a report, we need a report type, a sample template in which we define all the fields which will be a part of that particular report. So there are some of the standard report types which are already available, and then you can create custom report types as well. So a report type is like a template. Choosing the right report type is important in building a report, because when you choose a report type, you are selecting the records and fields that are available for your report. Each report type has a primary object and can optionally include related objects. So if you are creating a particular report type, so the primary object can be account, contact, anything. And if you want to get detail of the user's first name, last name, email, all that stuff, so anyhow the user object is related to all the objects which we create, because it will have a created by, right? So that's why Salesforce offers a variety of standard report types based on single objects like accounts, leads, and products, and with related objects like opportunities with projects and campaigns with contacts. But sometimes the standard report type doesn't provide all the objects and fields that you need. That's where custom report types comes into picture. For example, you want report on all the leads that are associated with activities. Choosing the leads report type, but the report would return all leads, not just those with activities. So we need to create a report type out of that with the activities and leads. With custom report types, we can create a report type named lead with activities that uses leads as the primary object and activities as the related object. Then select the leads with activities custom report type to see only her leads with activities, or only the leads with an activity. So what are the best practices for that? So the well-designed reports run faster and it returns the required data which you want. Before building your report, consider writing down each of the questions your report must answer. This way your report is sure to return all the data you need. Reports are shared by folders, as we discussed. Whomsoever has permission to the folder your report is saved in also have access to the report. Ensure that you save your report in appropriate folder. Then we have a report builder. The report builder is a visual drag and drop tool which we use to create reports and existing ones. Report format. The report format specifies how your report results are laid. Available formats are tabular, summary, matrix, or joint reports. So tabular, where we don't have any grouping. Summary, where we group on the basis of rows. Matrix, we group on the basis of rows and columns. We have a joint reports. We join the particular report with other reports using the blocks, report blocks that provide different views of your data. Then we have filters, limit the data your report returns by using filters. Filters are useful for many reasons, such as focusing your report on specific data or ensuring that your report runs quickly. Then we have the fields that will provide the data.